Hi, everyone. If you're looking for a great steam espresso machine, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 5 best steam espresso machines for 2022. These are the machines that we think are the best of the best, and that will give you the best possible espresso experience. We'll be giving you our thoughts on each machine, and why we think it's worthy of being on this list. So without further ado, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Bonsenkitchen Steam Espresso Machine. This machine is great for beginners, with its simple and easy-to-use design. The Bonsenkitchen Steam Espresso Machine is a high-performance espresso machine that extracts the delicate flavor of coffee. The advanced thermoblock fast heating system lets you enjoy making the good kind of coffee in 45 seconds. The espresso coffee maker has a built-in stainless steel steam wand that can quickly produce milk foam. You can enjoy espresso, cappuccino and latte with creamy and rich foam at any time at home. The drip tray and bubbler can be removed for simplified cleaning and avoid mess. The water collecting tray, water tank, high-pressure funnel and filter are also movable. This compact espresso machine is easy to clean and convenient and practical. The volume of the movable water tank is 1.5 liters. It can be used to make 10 to 12 cups of coffee. The transparent water tank can let you conveniently monitor water levels of Clearview transparent tank for timely refilling. This compact espresso machine is ideal for homes, offices, apartments and more. Next up at number 4 is the Bella Steam Espresso Maker. This machine is a great choice for anyone who wants a high-quality espresso but doesn't want to spend a lot of money. It's easy to use and produces a great cup of espresso. This espresso maker features an easy pour glass decanter, frothing steam wand and detachable permanent filter basket. The steam pressurized safety cap and removable drip tray prevent accidental leaks, and the permanent filter basket is detachable for easy cleaning. An easy pour decanter with cool touch and drip-free spout ensures safe serving. The steam wand quickly warms and froths milk so you can turn plain espresso into a fancier latte or cappuccino. At number 3, we have the Cuisinart Espresso Defined Steam Espresso Machine. This steam espresso machine is a great choice for those looking for a quality espresso machine. This machine is perfect for those who want to control every aspect of their espresso making experience. The Cuisinart Espresso Defined Steam Espresso Machine is the perfect addition to any kitchen. With its fully programmable digital LCD screen and 19 bars of pressure, this machine produces a smooth, rich, and intense flavor in every cup. The Espresso Defined is also equipped with a removable 24-ounce water reservoir for up to 16 single espressos and a removable drip tray to insert dollar mugs when needed. The automatic capsule disposal system ejects used capsules right into an internal waste bin for little to no cleanup. Next, at number 2, is the Dedica Steam Espresso Machine. This machine is perfect for those who want a great espresso but don't want to spend a lot of money. It's compact and easy to use, and it makes a great cup of espresso. The Dedica Steam Espresso Machine is a great choice for those looking for a quality espresso machine. The Dedica Steam Espresso Machine is a professional quality machine that makes it easy to get your perfect cup of espresso, cappuccino, or latte. The 15-bar pressure assures quality results, and the adjustable controls let you make modifications for your personal taste preferences. The machine is also easy to clean with a removable water tank and drip tray, and the parts are dishwasher safe. And finally, at number 1, we have the Mr. Coffee Steam Espresso System. A great all-in-one machine that's perfect for anyone who wants an easy-to-use machine that comes with everything you need to get started. The Mr. Coffee Steam Espresso System is an easy-to-use machine that makes great-tasting espresso. You simply fill the water chamber to the steam line, add your grounds, screw on the cap, and turn the knob to brew. In just minutes you'll have rich, full-flavored espresso. The steaming knob allows you to steam milk for a delicious cappuccino or latte. So there you have it, the top 5 best steam espresso machines for 2022. Check out product links in the description below for up-to-date price and more information now. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, and consider subscribing to this channel to get notified of upcoming videos. Please feel free to share your own thoughts or questions on the comments section about these top 5 steam espresso machines. Thanks for watching.